Hey guys, in this video let us discuss about mistakes that plant growers must avoid. Number 1. Ignoring signs of nutrient deficiency. A Dutch container packed with lush baby plants may look appealing, but don't be fooled. Overcrowding might give the illusion of a thriving garden, but in reality, it's a battle for survival. The plants compete for space, light, and nutrients, leading to weak, malnourished, or even dying plants. Give your plants the space they need to grow strong and healthy. Number 2. Pruning. Pruning is key to keeping your hydroponic plants healthy and productive, but are you doing it right? Let's find out. Don't let plants grow too wild. Overcrowding reduces airflow and increases the risk of disease. Regularly trim excess leaves to keep plants well ventilated. Don't cut healthy, productive leaves too aggressively. You might stress the plant. Do focus on removing yellowing, damaged, or unnecessary lower leaves to redirect energy to new growth. Prune smart and watch your hydroponic garden thrive. Number 3. Watering. Skipping watering stresses your plants. Water them twice a day to keep them thriving. And guess what? The ECOseries makes it effortless. Pouring water directly on your plants can damage them. ECOseries uses a drip system that waters gently and evenly. Smart watering equals to strong roots and fast growth. Number 4. Pests and diseases. Pests and diseases can still attack your hydroponic setup, even without soil. Messy grow space. It's an open invite for bugs, mold, and fungus. The fix: keep your system clean, inspect your plants regularly, and act fast. Use safe pest control like neem oil if things get out of hand. Clean plants are happy plants. Don't let pests sneak in. Number 5. Sunlight. Placing your plants away from good light is a big mistake. It causes weak, leggy growth and slower development. The fix is to use natural sunlight or place your setup near a bright, indirect light source. Light helps plants photosynthesize. Without it, they struggle no matter what nutrients you give. Position your setup right, and your plants will thank you. Thank you for watching. Check out our products, the Starter Kit series and ECOseries from Tefais.com.